I was coming back home. It actually happened about a mile from my home, from dropping my daughter off somewhere. And it was a residential area. Speed limit was 25. I traveled it every day, so I was aware of that. And this service vehicle just came at a crossroad. Didn't stop, just went through the stop sign. So it was quick. And I think I was in shock because I thought I was fine. The only pain I even felt was my legs. I had on shorts, and the airbags deployed and, cut my legs up. But other than that, I felt fine until the next day. As time went on, I was in pain 24/7. That was just something that was hard to live with. It wouldn't that I couldn't walk or anything like that. It was just pain. I probably went, I would say, a month without knowing that I had had a concussion. Didn't know that I would even need a law firm, to be honest with you. But the company that hit me, their insurance called me about 3 days in and wanting me to sign documents and what have you. And that's when I said, nah, I'm not doing this alone. And my wife actually Googled, and that's how we found FVF. Just reading the reviews and their clients is pretty much what convinced me that I wanted to talk to them. It was on a weekend when I actually talked to them, and someone, actually talked to me on the weekend. It was like, wow, instantly. From the first phone call, it was kind of like family. They're so warm and caring, and that was through the whole process. Mark Ferris is just amazing. I never had to second guess anything. I might think, wonder what's going on. And he would call just miraculously, just to bring me up to date on everything. The best thing about working with FVF was it was personal, and it was personal from the very beginning. I knew I wasn't just a number. They anticipated so many questions that I had without me even having to ask them. Working with Mark Ferris was amazing. You knew he had your back. He was very firm, like with opposing counsel, but he wasn't ugly. I don't think the man is afraid of the devil himself. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's talking about. I've said from the get-go, as far as I'm concerned, Mark Ferris walks on water. He's just truly amazing as an attorney. He's so laid back too. You just wouldn't think someone that laid back would have the power that he has just in making a statement, but he does. I guess when you talk to other people, you hear horror stories of what they've gone through with firms, and it's nothing like what I experienced. I didn't want some of these clowns that you see on television daily, yelling and screaming. I wanted someone that I would feel proud to have represent me. And there again, it was FVF Law that did that.